Hi guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do the step 4 progress of the build of the chieftain Mk5 build. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to fit the rear panel, I'm going to do some weathering, fit the tracking, fit the tracks. So no further ado, let's go ahead and do that. So guys, as you can see, I fitted the sprocket wheel and the idle wheels. I also have done, I've painted the idle wheel and the sprocket wheel. Also painted the rear panel, as you can see. Paint I use for that is what you have seen before. I've used flat green by Model Colour. I've also used dark green. To do the exhaust, I've used Tamiya dark copper XF28. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let this dry a bit, and then I'll start weathering and show you what I've used to do the weathering. Also after that, I'll fix the track. I'll see you in a bit guys. So guys, as you can see, I've weathered the lower hull. I've also added some chain onto the hooks, the front and back. What I've used to weather the lower hull is heavy chipping by acrylic fluid, some smoke, light rush by AMG Ammo MiG, some wash. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fit the tracks. I'll see you in a bit guys. So guys, as you can see, I fitted the tracks. So that's it for today guys. Please stay safe, stay tuned. Please look out for step 5. What I'm going to do on step 5 is I'm going to be fixing the upper hull parts and the lower hull parts, A and B. I'll be painting the upper hull parts and doing a bit more weathering. So please like and subscribe, comment, stay safe guys. Bye.